Today I bring you a 3-minute tutorial on how to paint watercolor flamingos. They are super cute. Let's start. Start with a light wash of pink for the basic shape of the flamingos. Build up layers with a wet-on-wet technique. Focus on the long necks, oval heads and oval body shape. Fill out all the page with these shapes. Add details to resemble feathers. Let it dry completely. Now add some more details with a slightly darker pink or red. Switch to a waterproof pen. Use black or dark brown for the beak and leave a bit of space of white for the reflection. Add a few more layers. This is my favorite part. Sprinkle some pink, violet or blue to give a little more life to our painting. Important tip. Always remember to let each layer dry completely before applying the next. This prevents unwanted blending and keeps your colors vibrant and clean. Aren't the flamingos cute? Have you tried this tutorial? Let me know what you think in the comments.